Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will dive into the world of 3D printing and discuss what may be the best 3D printer for LEGO. The output of 3D printers has come a long way in recent years, and they offer more flexibility than ever before. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you out, we've put together a list of the top 3D printers that are specifically designed for LEGO. This 3D printer is used in any condition, and you can always expect a high-quality finish. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FlashForge Guider 2 3D Printer. Are you looking to take your LEGO creations to the next level? Say hello to the ultimate partner in building block innovation, the FlashForge Guider 2 3D Printer. This machine beast boasts a massive build volume measuring 280 by 250 by 300 millimeters, perfect for those who dream of creating professional quality prints for engineering and small-scale production. With its high-precision nozzle and a plate that can be heated up to a toasty 120 degrees Celsius, the Guider 2 ensures that your LEGO masterpieces are crafted with impeccable detail and precision. Not only does the Guider 2 offer exceptional printing capabilities, but it also embraces versatility. Supporting a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PBA, HIPS, PETG, TPU, wood-filled, electric, flexible, and TPE, it invites you to explore endless possibilities for your LEGO projects. But wait, there's more! The Guider 2 has a nifty feature that saves time and minimizes waste. If the power goes out or filament breakage occurs, fear not! This ingenious printer automatically resumes printing once the issue is resolved, leaving you with fewer worries about potential print failures. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is FullSun V400 Delta 3D Printer. Are you looking to bring your LEGO creations to life? Prepare for an incredible building adventure with the FullSun V400 Delta 3D Printer. This little gem is a dream come true for LEGO enthusiasts. Imagine lightning-fast printing speeds that will make your head spin. With a blazing speed of 400 millimeters per second and an acceleration of 8,000 mm/s superscript 2, this printer is like the Flash of the 3D printing world. It's 400% faster than the industry standard, which means you'll be saving a whopping 70% of your precious time. But it's not just about speed, it's about size too. The FullSun V400 boasts a larger print size, measuring a generous 10.2 inches L x 10.2 inches W x 13 inches H. That means you can create more significant, intricate LEGO designs that will blow everyone's minds. Let's remember the detachable PEI spring steel platform. It ensures a solid first layer adhesion while making it a breeze to remove your finished models. The hotbed can be heated up to 110 degrees Celsius, so you can experiment with materials like PLA, PETG, wood, ABS, PC, and TPU. The possibilities are endless. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 3 is LGT Longer LK5 Pro 3D Printer. Are you ready to bring your LEGO creations to life? Then the LGT Longer LK5 Pro 3D Printer is the ultimate tool for LEGO enthusiasts. This printer has exciting features that will take your LEGO building experience to awesomeness. One of the standout features of the LK5 Pro is its upgraded dual blower kit. This kit cools your filament rapidly after extrusion, ensuring your models stay perfectly formed without any deformation or unsightly wire drawing. Say goodbye to those frustrating printing mishaps. Not only does the LK5 Pro offer exceptional print quality, but it also boasts a stable triangular structure thanks to reinforced diagonal rods. This design minimizes vibrations, resulting in incredibly regular and precise prints. You'll marvel at this printer's level of detail and accuracy. The LK5 Pro is not just a powerhouse, it's a quiet one too. Equipped with the TMC2208 ultra-silent driver and an open-source motherboard, this printer operates smoothly while minimizing noise. Plus, with open source firmware, you can experiment with your ideas by tinkering with the G-code. If you want to purchase the sizable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Elegus Saturn 8K MSLA 3D printer. Hey there, LEGO enthusiasts! Let's dive into the world of 3D printing with the incredible Elegus Saturn 8K MSLA 3D printer, our number 4 pick for the best 3D printer for LEGO creations. This printer is a powerhouse of cutting-edge features that will take your LEGO building game to a new level. First, feast on the impressive 10-inch 8K mono LCD screen with a mind-blowing resolution of 7680 by 4320. This means you can print your LEGO models with ultra-fine detail and tight tolerances, resulting in sharper and more accurate prints. The scratch-resistant tempered glass with 9H hardness protects the screen while ensuring excellent light transmission. The Saturn 8K doesn't just stop at visuals and offers a significant build volume of 219 by 123 by 210 millimeters. This means you can print larger LEGO models or batch parts in one go, saving time and improving printing efficiency. Now, let's talk about the Matrix UV light source. With its unique double convex lens design, this printer minimizes light scattering and provides powerful soft contrast. This improves printing accuracy and reduces tolerances for your LEGO prototype's dimensions. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is FlashForge 3D printer. Are you looking to bring your LEGO creations to life? Well, buckle up because I've got just the thing for you. Introducing the FlashForge 3D printer, a top-notch choice for all your LEGO printing adventures. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, the FlashForge 3D printer is a game-changer. It offers a range of capabilities to make your LEGO building experience even more exciting. Equipped with advanced technology, this printer allows you to print in multiple colors and materials, just like the real deal. No more settling for monotonous monochrome models. The FlashForge 3D printer lets your imagination run wild by enabling you to create vibrant, multicolored LEGO masterpieces. Don't worry about your prints warping or losing their shape either. The heating bed of this printer ensures rapid and steady heating, resulting in high-quality prints free from deformations. It's like giving your LEGO bricks a cozy, snug environment to come to life. Cross-contamination? Not on this printer's watch! With its anti-scrape design, the FlashForge 3D printer minimizes color bleed during dual-color printing, making it perfect for professional applications like industrial design, architecture, and mechanical engineering. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for LEGO. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.